Gaming and gamification can be used in the 21st century educational setting to provide a palatable means of learning for students who have been raised in the digital age. According to Romero, gamification makes use of design elements from games in a context that's not actually a game but has elements you would find in a game, and it offers a reward for providing correct responses. Kafai and Burke say that serious games, on the other hand, provide challenges and serious competition between individuals and sometimes even teams with collaborative members. There are goals such as destroying the enemy, getting to the next level, and ultimately winning the competition, so say Kafai and Burke. Kafai and Burke also found that when students are constructionists making high-quality learning games, their attitudes toward learning goals improve. Additionally, according to Kafai and Burke, metacognition, or students thinking about their own thinking, is the likely result of students making the games. Students become more aware, again according to Kafai and Burke, of benefits regarding digital design and computing, and are more likely to consider a future career in the technological field. Other benefits of using gaming include negating some of the barriers that exist for at-risk and behaviorally challenged students, as well as those who lack motivation, according to Schmidt, Cohn, Felicia, and Bignami. Their study, in fact, suggests the use of learning games helps to meet the needs of these challenged individuals, often helping to bring them back to learning. Schmidt, Cohn, Felicia, and Bignami say that problem solving, along with instant and exacting feedback and built-in reward system, are part of most learning games. As this is the case with games they otherwise play, students become engaged and motivated using this approach. Although there are numerous benefits to using technology-based learning games in the classroom, there exist some potential challenges as well. Schmidt, Cohn, Felicia, and Bignami found that many instructors rarely make use of game-based learning. They cite teachers' reluctance due primarily to time constraints and often their inability to find relevant, ready-to-use, approved courses. They also suggest that the perceived increased workload hinders teachers' enthusiasm toward using learning games. An argument I would make on behalf of promoting a pilot program making the use of gaming as an instructional strategy would be research-based. I would emphasize a recent study done by Kien and Clark in 2016 suggesting that game-based learning may help to better facilitate 21st century skills. These are skills students will need to succeed in schooling, careers, and life. And in the very near future, by the way, according to Alismo and McGuire, I would remind them that students today are digital natives. Technological tools are a learning preference for modern students. And according to Tomlinson, 2014, I would state that studies conducted by Kafai and Burke in 2016 and Schmidt, Cohn, Felicia, and Bignami in 2015 show improved problem-solving ability, increased motivation, and improved attitudes and behavior. I would also encourage all stakeholders to support the instructional strategy of using learning-based games. I would recommend they conduct some research regarding the benefits of applying this strategy. I would encourage parents to discuss this as a potential course of action with their children, try to gauge their level of enthusiasm for it. Finally, I would ask that parents who are enthusiastic about this strategy to let pertinent administrators know how they feel about this potential course of action.